In that video, I'm just going to show you how to harmonize your major scale with drop 2 voicings, okay? Okay, so this is something that I'm going to take all my time to explain you so you can understand everything. But before starting with that video, I'm asking you please to subscribe to my channel, please. This is the only one way that you can support me. Okay, just leave me a like, leave me a comment below, and just tell me how do you feel while being on this channel. Without wasting any time, guys, let's get into that video. First, we're going to start in the key of C major, because C major is the easiest. Okay, so I'm just going to try to explain this to you in the key of C major, and after, in the end of that video, I'm going to try to do it in other keys. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is that we have to play the major scale. Okay, as we are in the key of C major, we're just going to play the major scale. So C major scale is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is the first thing that you have to do if you want to harmonize the major scale. Okay, so the first is to play the notes of the major scale, and after you will harmonize them. That means you will play them as chords. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. This is the major scale. And the second thing that you have to know is that you have to know all the degree. Okay? You have to memorize all the degree. For example, if I ask you what's the 3, so you will tell me it's that. What's the 4? It's that. What's the 6? It's that. What's the 7? What's the 2? What's the 4? What's the 5? What's the 1? What's the 6? Okay, in every key, you have to try to memorize all the degree like this, because the number system help gospel musicians to understand. Okay, so this is the second thing. You have to try to memorize the degrees of the scale. And then next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to harmonize the 7th degree of the major scale. As we are in the key of C major, what we're going to do is that we are going to harmonize all the degree of the C major scale as chords. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are going to play them as chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is harmonization. We just take a single note and we harmonize it. That means we play it as a chord. Okay? So basically, the 1 will be major. Okay, the 1 is C major, and we have the 2 that will be minor. This is a D minor chord. We have the 3 that will be minor also. Okay, 3 is always minor, and we have the 4 that will be major, F major, and we have the 5 that will be major also, G major, and we have the 6, and we have the 7. The 7th will be diminished. Okay, so back to 1. But in that video, I'm not going to show you to harmonize your major scale like this. Okay, I'm going to show you it like this. Okay, that sounds better than this. As I said in the beginning of the video, we will use drop 2 voicings. Okay, we have the one that will be like this. Okay, this is the one. I hope you understand everything. This is the one. That is a drop 2 voicing. Before continue, what is a drop 2 voicing? A drop 2 voicing is a chord, a simple chord, and then we're just going to take the second highest note and drop it down. Okay, so the second highest note is the E. Okay, so 1, 2, the second highest note from the right to the left. Okay, 1, 2, we'll just put it down in an octave down. Okay, so this is that chord there. This is a beautiful chord. And me, what I do, I just take this E that is on the bottom, I just put it on top. Okay, this is the first thing. This is not a C major inversion. This is a drop 2 voicing. This is still a drop 2 voicing. Okay, so this is the 1. I just play it like this, and I just do this grace note there. This is like a slur. This is the 1. Okay, I hope you see everything. And the 2 will be played as a minor 7 chord. Okay, this is a D minor 7. If you want, you can do it like this as well, like this. Okay, but this is good for me. Okay, so we have 1, we have 2. Okay, and then the 3 will be played like this. What is that chord? Let me explain you. This is a 1 chord. Okay, we're just going to play it as a drop 2 voicing. What we're gonna do, we are going to take the second highest note, that is E. 1, 2, this is the E, and we're just going to drop it down. We just play it in an octave down. So it becomes like this. This is for the 3. Okay, this is C add 9 or C add 2 drop 2. Okay, we just call it the 3 because the 3 is on the bass. Okay, normally this is a 1 chord. This is a 1 chord. This is a 1 chord. But in this system, we will consider it like a 3 chord because the bass is a 3. The bass is a 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we have the 4 that will be the same as the 1. Okay, this is F drop 2 chord. So I have the F, I take the second highest note, I drop it down there, and I take this and I just put it there. Okay, if I want, I just take this middle note and I put it there. Okay, so this is for the 4, a major chord voicing. The 5 also will be the same. Okay, and we have the 6. This is the 6. The 6 will be a 4 add 2 chord. Okay, this is a F add 2 chord, and we're going to play it as a drop 2 chord. I will just take the second highest note, 1, 2, that is it, and I will drop it down. Okay, so it gives us this nice drop 2 voicing. Nice chord. Okay, so this is the 6, and then we have the 7. The 7 is a 5 chord. G add 2 chord, and we're just going to play it as a drop 2 voicing. I will take the second highest note, that is B, and drop it down. So this is for the 7. Okay, and then back to 1. Okay, so let me start it over so you can understand everything. So this is the 1. We have the 2. We have the 3. We have the 4. We have the 5, we have the 6, we have the 7, and back to the 1. Okay? I hope you see everything. So now I'm going to try it in another key. Okay? This is very important. When you learn something, you have to try to play it in all 12 keys. Okay, in this video, I don't know if I will have the time to play it in all 12 keys, but you have to try it. Okay, so let's try in, for example, C sharp major. Okay, so we have the 1, we have the 2, we have the 3, we have the 4, we have the 5, we have the 6, we have the 7, and we have the 1. Okay? The 1 will be played like this. Okay? This is the 1. We have the 2 that will be like this. This is a minor 7 chord. Okay? This is a D sharp minor 7. This is just a voicing. Okay, a D sharp minor 7 will be played like this, but me, I just take this and put it up. Okay, this F sharp and put it up. Okay, we have the 3 that will be played like this. This is the 3. This is a 1, add 2 chord, but we just play it as a drop 2 voicing. We have the 4. We have the 5. We have the 6. The 6 that will be a 4 chord. Add 2 chord and we just play it as a drop 2 voicing like this. And then the 7 as well. And then back to the 1. Let me start over. We have the 1. We have the 2. We have the 3. We have the 4. We have the 5. We have the 6. We have the 7. And back to 1. Okay? Okay, this is what we can do with all this. Okay, so let's try it in another key. Okay, so let me take the key, let me see. Let me just take the key of E major. Okay, this will be interesting.